Yeah, hello everyone. My name is Toby. I'm the founder of FTS, and this is how to register a binary.com account. Okay, so for those who don't know how to register, this is how to register, and I'll be showing you also how to log into the MT5 and how to create your MT5 login alongside the registration. Okay, so for those who don't have an account yet, you can follow my link below in the description section. So you click on the registration link from there, and this is how it's gonna look. Alright, so let's say this is the video. You click below and you'll see the register trading real stroke demo account. Click on this link. Okay, then when you click on it, it will take you to your browser, and let's wait. Okay, then it will bring you to this page. So this is the registration page. So the next thing you need to do is put your email there. Okay, so I'm going to be putting my email. This is just a test email that I created. Then okay, all right, so click create free account. Then it will show us this. We go to our email to check a link that must have been sent to us. So this is the link from binary.com. So I'll open the email and click on the link. All right, so we'll click on this link to confirm the email. So yeah, and that's it, and it will ask us to create a password. So let me just create a password for the sake of this video. Okay, then my country of residence is Nigeria. So okay, sorry, the video has to have the uppercase and the lowercase kind of thing, you understand? So let's do the same here. Alright, so my country of residence is Nigeria. You choose your country, then you click on create virtual money account. So if you want to create a real account or a virtual demo account, you can click on start trading for demo. But do you understand? But if you want to create a real account, you click on upgrade now. So you fill in this form. Okay, I'm a Mr. Then first name, let's put any name there. The family name, let's put this. Date of birth, let's put that. So you put your date of birth, place of birth Nigeria, country of residence Nigeria. So you can put any phone number there. So reason for opening an account, you could just put income earning, then enter your full home address. So I can just put Lagos State and leave it like that. So you put your full address there. You can leave the second line empty. Then the town, you put your town. The state, I'll choose my state. So yeah, postal code, you choose your postal code. If you don't know your postal code, you can check it on Google. Then okay, your security question, favorite dish, I can just put anything. You can put Fanta. A pep, acknowledge that I am not. So if you're a politically inclined person, you have to acknowledge that you're not politically exposed. Okay, so you click on that, then you accept the terms and conditions and you click open account. So wait for a few seconds. Alright, so it's gonna show us congratulations, and at the uppermost part we can see real account CR1022727. That is our real account. Okay, so this is how to create your binary real account. Then it at the topmost part it will tell you to choose your currency, so you click that part. Okay, click that part for your currency. Okay, I don't know why it's not clicking, but for those of us that want to trade volatility 75 or crash and boom, this is how to create your MT5 account. So you click on the down arrow and you choose MetaTrader. So after choosing MetaTrader, you can create a demo or a real. So you can, let's create a demo. You choose demo, then you choose synthetic indices. Okay, so you choose synthetic indices, then it's telling us to choose currency now. So I love to choose USD. Okay, so you can choose a USD account. So let's go back. We go to MetaTrader, then we choose a demo account. We choose synthetic indices. That's where you find Latitude 75 and co. You click on next, then you choose your password. So we'll give it the same password that we gave it earlier so that I can remember. Okay, yeah, then investor password. So yeah, I think we can click on create account now. Yeah, we choose yes, I'm sure. So it's still loading. Yeah, so at the uppermost part you can see your demo account has been created, and you have a balance of $10,000 to trade with. So if you want to create a real account also for your MT5, you click on new account, you click on real, then you choose synthetic indices and you click on next. It will ask you for your password. You can put your password, then you put the password again, then let's see this. So our investor password is different from main password. Okay, with your investor password you can't trade, you can only view the account, but with the main password you can trade on that account. Then choose create account. So okay, yeah, so you can see real money, you can see the account number at the front, and it has created that for us. Okay, then for those of you after this USD account, you can still go further to create a Bitcoin account. Okay, click on it, then choose create account, then we choose real account and you choose BTC. Okay, then you click create and you'll see congratulations, it has created. So this is BTC. Okay, so now you have a BTC account and a USD account, and if you want to deposit or withdraw, you choose the account you want to deposit to or the account you want to withdraw from. Let's say you want to deposit through this, then you click on this option, you click on cashier, then you see your deposit and withdraw out there. Okay, so now how do you now this details. Let's go back to MetaTrader and let me teach you how to log in into your MetaTrader 5 using this detail. So we see that number in front of the real money account, that is what we use for our login. Okay, so you go to Play Store, then you download your MetaTrader 5. It's already downloaded, so I'll just open it. and you most likely see something like this. Okay, so you understand. So the next thing you do is you click on this plus sign by the top right, click on that plus, and you look for your broker. Your broker is binary.com. So while you're typing it, you will see the two will appear. Choose the second one, which is binary limited. You choose that. Then for our login, we go back and check that number. If you want to log in your real account, you choose real, and if you want to log in your demo, you choose demo. So let's log in our real account. The number is 489575. So you put the number here, 489575, and we put our password, the main password, not the investor password, the main password. Then we put it and we click login. So you can see it's logged into our real account. Then if we click this chart, we'll click the first icon below, and you can see the whole market are there. You understand? So if you want to add more markets, you come to the plus sign here and you add more markets. Okay, you add more markets and you can see. So this is how to create both your main binary.com account and your MT5 account. So I still remain Toby of FTS, and you have a great time.